Welcome to Profit Channels. This is my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and I don't give financial advice. Please consider this video entertainment. Today I'm going to talk about Duolingo. This is a product that I've been using. Estudiaba Español desde COVID. So I've studied with Duolingo since COVID. I have the family plan. I like it. I can do a Spanish lesson wherever I want, but there is no dividend yield. I like dividend yields. I think people know what Duolingo is. Price to earnings is 128.5, which is incredibly high, but we'll look at that in context in a moment. Our growth and profitability annually, we had a record year last year. If I scroll down here and we look at our assets and our liabilities, this looks beautiful. This looks beautiful. Look at this cash flow, increasing income and increasing revenue. If we go to the statements, and annually we have a record year in revenue, banner year. If we scroll down into income, this is crazy. It's up, 88.57 million. We were minus 60 million in 2021. That's really pretty. If we look at our common shares outstanding, they are going up. I don't like to see that. I like to see our shares going down, especially when they're making so much money. Price to earnings, so 128. I mean, it was 656 in 2023, so 128, surprisingly, is a low number for Duolingo. Our price to sales is, I'd say, medium. We're lower than the last 2 years. Price to cash flow, this is beautiful. This is as low as it's been. I really like it. Here is Duolingo versus divided by the S&P 500. So the lower the chart is, the better value Duolingo is, and we've kind of bounced off of, if I were to draw this weekly channel, the bottom here, we do have a large gap down below, but we are bounced off the bottom, and it looks like we are, this is daily, this is really moving around. We got this gap here, which I expect we will fill. So I think this is a good value in general. Here is the weekly chart of Duolingo. We really don't have enough data to do a monthly. We have just bounced off the bottom of this channel. Our midpoint line is really strong. This is a engulfing candle, so this is very bearish on the weekly. If I go to the daily, we do have this gap right here, but we're bouncing off the bottom of the channel. We've got a point of control above us. If we put in, let's look at our moving averages. So on the daily, we've crossed over. The 50 is broke down below the 1 and the 200. And so now we're looking like we're going to maybe bounce off the 50 and come back down a little bit more. On the weekly, this is pretty bullish. The 50s cross the 1 and the 2. You can see we've been bouncing off the 2 right here, and now we've broken below it. So when we were down here, we had a nice run. That's a nice run right here. So we're at the bottom of that channel. Let's hide those. And if we do a fib retracement from the bottom here to the top here, we just broke through 0.5. You can see the 0.382 is a really strong, valid level, 236. So I expect us to come down to the 0.5 at least again, maybe the 618. We do have this gap down here at the 1272. But if I do an extension from the bottom here to the top here, and I say the bottom is this point of control, we have these beautiful Fibonacci lines that line up, and if I show the retracement, they just overlap. So I am thinking Duolingo might come down here to this point of control, and this would be a great opportunity if it did get down here. So let's keep an eye on that. Here's our trend line, and right now we're bouncing off of it. So I expect us to come back down here and fill this gap. And if we get to this point of control, that's where I'm getting in. Is Duolingo a good deal here? It sure seems like it, but I'm going to see if it goes lower. If I look at our parabolic SAR and super trend, everything's bullish on the weekly. RSI is crossed below the 50. This is very bearish. Our histogram on the MACD is less bearish, but we're crossing into negative territory, and our stochastics are oversold. If I go to the daily, we just got a buy signal right here. We got mixed signals between the parabolic SAR and the super trend. Our RSI is pretty low, but it looks like we're starting. This could be a higher low, starting an uptrend. We got the MACD crossover, but it's still in negative territory, and our stochastics are moving up. So this is looking more encouraging. And our RSI Bollinger Band strategy, not enough data here to do much with that. Money flow index is trying to creep up on the weekly. Our squeeze momentum is very bullish, and we have no trend per the ADX. If I go to the daily, we have not quite reached the bottom of our Bollinger Band, and that's where I'm a little bullish right now. I'm looking for the best deal. It may not ever happen, and I miss a good opportunity, but that's the way it goes. Money flow index on the daily is turned positive. Our squeeze momentum is becoming less and less bullish or bearish. And ADX 17, we have no trend here. So Duolingo is a solid company. We have not broken this trend line. We broke it here. This is a fake out, continue down. I am looking for this $213 point of control to get in, which would break this channel. We shall see what happens. I hope you like this video. Today is Sunday, September 14th. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, or leave a message on the stock you want me to look at. Talk to you later.